DIENES, the innovation company.
Hello and welcome to the new DIENES Video Series episode. My name is Christian Einhaus. I'm working in the sales department at DIENES Werke in Overath. I'm very happy to present to you today's topics: DIENES knife holder maintenance and retrofit services. The knife holder maintenance service can be compared to an inspection of a car. All major parts are checked, and where needed, they are replaced by new parts. At the same time, cleaning and lubrication secures full functionality of the holders. Using this service, our well-experienced service team ensures that your holders are working like new and in OEM quality. At the same time, the maintenance service is a sustainable solution to keep your tools in best possible condition. Good advice: always keep a few spare parts in stock, so that they can be replaced quickly and machine downtimes can be prevented. You can consider which spare parts are relevant for your process reliability and what the availability situation is, and if they are available from our stock. Our second service presented today, DIENES Retrofit, aims to modernize existing slitting systems and to improve production performance. These upgraded machines will perform better in numerous areas, e.g. production, control, automation and safety, just to name a few. The whole process consists of 3 steps: examination of existing technical details, finding the best and most efficient modernizations, and last but not least, step-by-step implementation of the defined measures. There are many advantages our customers have when making use of our retrofit service, e.g. no need for new machine purchase and costs saved, improved productivity, and energy cost savings as systems are working more energy efficient. But this is only a small number of benefits that can be achieved. If you are interested in our general product portfolio or would like to know more about the 2 services presented in this video, we are looking forward to reading your comments or questions in the section below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.